I'm back. I'm Thelindabradley with Princess House, always bringing you the best specials. And this is a package that I think you're really going to like. I brought together two of our most popular items that we have right now. The first is our barbecue disco. Have you seen this item? It's 23 inches wide. It has a special bottom to fit on an outdoor propane stand. The stand is separate. It also has a rack and it comes with a lid. It's great for your outdoor family gatherings. Your husbands are going to love this item. It's traditionally used for discata and many other recipes. And it's a limited time item in our Princess House catalog. I'm really excited to bring it to you. With this item, I have paired our blender, which is our #1 seller in our line and has been for 5.5 years. It has 3 pre-programmed settings. One for dips and spreads. You can make your own hummus, salsa, guacamole. One is for hot soup. In 7 minutes, you can make hot chocolate, hot soup. And then the other is for smoothies. It also comes with a tool so that when you have things that need to be mixed, you can mix it inside. Both of these items are going to be just $612, and that includes shipping and includes tax. You can either pay it in full or start with a deposit of $155 and then make 8 payments of just $57 each. Once it's paid in full, it ships direct.